Hello everyone. Arithmetic operators are often used in the Python programming language. In this video I will show you how to use arithmetic operators. We publish all training videos for free. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video to support us. Let's start with the examples. I'm creating two variables. Since two variables are of integer data type, I can add them. Let's do the extraction. Let's do the multiplication. Let's do the division. Note the decimal part of the division. We can use a double slash instead of a single slash to round down the decimal part of the number. We can use the percent operator to find the remainder of the quotient. We can do exponentiation using the stars. Thanks for watching. We publish all training videos for free. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video to support us.